Civil engineers' work involves thinking, planning, designing, managing, budgeting, presenting, building, operating, supervising, and maintaining systems and projects. Projects such as buildings, roads, tunnels, airports, bridges, dams, and sewage facilities. The average salary of a civil engineer in Australia. To qualify as a civil engineer, you must have a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. And because it demands a high-level skill, it tends to pay well. On average, as a civil engineer in Australia, you can expect to earn almost $1,962 per week if you work full-time. Demand for civil engineers in Australia. Now, if you want to know the civil engineer salary in Australia, you should probably start by assessing the demand for civil engineers in Australia. Australia currently has around 67,000 civil engineers at the moment, and statistics indicate a very strong future growth curve. And according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, approximately 28% of civil engineers are employed by government agencies. However, of course, civil engineers are also commonly hired by construction companies and places like that. Job-related skills. Civil engineers must be highly skilled in engineering, technology, building and construction, technical design, mathematics, organization, and of course, management. Hence, it's no surprise that they are highly valued in the construction industry. Universities that offer civil engineering courses in Australia. Now, when looking for the right university, you must also consider the city, and you must consider the living expenses of the city. You must consider the fee and the overall affordability, and of course, the particular courses being offered. So, with all of that being said, let's dive right in. Here is the list of universities that offer a bachelor in civil engineering. A. Universities in Melbourne or near Melbourne. Federation University, Victoria University, RMIT University. B. Universities in Brisbane or near Brisbane. QUT, University of Sunshine Coast. C. Universities in Sydney or near Sydney. University of Newcastle. D. Universities in Perth. Edith Cowan University. And E. Universities in regional areas. University of South Australia, University of Tasmania. So, if you want to become a civil engineer in Australia, you should definitely check out the above-mentioned universities. Check them out, get yourself enrolled to fulfill your dreams. Civil engineering is not just a respected profession, but also it's a relatively high-paying one as well. And that's an important thing to consider. And when it comes to Australia, there is a huge demand for civil engineering professionals. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.